In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix RTC connecting on Discord. The main cause of this is due to network issues. So number one, you want to go ahead and check your internet connection. Make sure that your connection is stable and fast. So here I am, I'm currently connected to the Wi-Fi. But now, what I recommend that you guys do is conduct a Wi-Fi test because you will need good and stable Wi-Fi. So let me go ahead and do that really quickly. Alright, so what I recommend that you guys just open up any web browser and look up speed test, then go ahead and press on run speed, and then over here it is now going to go ahead and test out your internet speed. And basically, in order to stop this from happening, you need to go ahead and actually have a decent amount of Wi-Fi. So we do have a good download speed. Our upload speed could definitely be a little bit better, so we may actually run into some issues. So if your internet connection isn't that strong, then what I personally recommend that you guys do is invest in an Ethernet cable. They're incredibly cheap. You can typically find them under $10 on like Amazon or something like that, or multiple different hardware stores, and basically that directly connects your PC to your router, and you're able to get smoother and faster connection through there as well. Now, it could also be that your network is restricting Discord. For example, if you're trying to use Discord on like a school Wi-Fi network or something like that, or even like some colleges, then it may not actually be able to work. So please keep that in mind. And also, if you have any VPNs activated, that could actually also cause issue as well. So please disable any VPNs that you do have whenever you're trying to make a call on Discord in order to prevent that from happening, because they typically interfere with Discord's connection and it could actually cause issues. And also, it could just be that Discord is actually currently down. So go to any web browser and look up Discord servers down. Then it is going to go ahead and bring you to this page over here. That's discord.status.com. And then from here, you're able to see if there's actually any issues with Discord itself, because sometimes the issue is not even your Wi-Fi, it's just actually Discord. So please keep that in mind. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.